Tap, 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 it's knocking on my window. Drop, 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 the sky begins to sing. Soft rain falls down slowly, washing dust out of the day. On the gray streets below me, it paints a brand new way. A shirt soaked in the rainfall, looks like sweat from chasing dreams. Even people walking through it shine with hidden energy. Worries run like rivers, hearts wake up with every sound. Seeds beneath the quiet soil stretch their hands up from the ground. Here comes the rain, it's running, dancing over my heart again. Do mi sol do fa la, moving with the rhythm of the sky. Thunder rolls, let it laugh out loud, clear the heavy air around. Here comes the rain, we're rising, the world is breathing now. Puddles on the roadside, turning mirrors in the light, showing all my footprints shining softly through the night. Every drop is carrying stories far across the land, holding thirsty fields and flowers gently in its open hands. Tap, tap, my heart